Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Amelia Putri with a student ID number of 2023-32169. In the three practicum, we will do pre-processing on the ethics dataset, and if there is any data that is not reasonable, do data correction so that the model accuracy corners out the maximum, deployed one of the models, and I choose knife base. Okay, the first step, we will import the library. Import pandas is used to read and manage data. Import matplotlib and import seaborn are used to create graphs, such as conversion matrix, while form screen is a library in machine learning that is used to split data, train underscore test underscore split. Correct data in knife base or Gaussian knife base, measure the result to be predictive accuracy score and perform classification. On line 9 contains a comment where we will write the dataset name .1 CSV. After reading the dataset to be predicted, the next step we will do pre-processing or data cleaning. On line 10, we will execute the command to delete duplicate data so there is no data that is exactly the same. Okay, next. Let's check data and fix unreasonable data. On line 11, we will check the value of data that does not make sense. X must not be more than 100 or less than 10. Reasonable weight is more than 30 kg and less than 200 kg. Slightly less than or not exceeding 100 million. The probability of baldness must be between 0 and 1. Next, change the text to number or encoding. On line 12, we will change the column containing text or such as gender status change to numbers because the model in the learning machine can only read numbers or example 0, 1. Then Then determine the x and y features on the target. The x value is the input data or such as x, y, height, x, while y value is target prediction to be classified. One probability of baldness 0.5. 0 probability of not baldness 0.5. Next, divide the data into trained data and tested data. The data is divided into 80% used to train the model or X train, y underscore train, 20% to test the accuracy of the model or X underscore test, y underscore test. Meanwhile, statify y is to ensure the proportion of 1 and 0 to remain balanced. Next we will create and train the knife bias models. We use the knife bias models to classify the data. On line 16, the model will try to predict whether someone is bald based on the data set will X underscore test. In the image above, the data accuracy is 0.3367 which means that the model successfully predicted 7337 or the total data tested. In the classification report, there is a class 0 that is not but class 1 that is not. Although the accuracy is quite high, the model is not balanced because the data is not balanced. Next, we will display the confession metric. Next, we will display the confession metric. Confession metric show the result of the model prediction compared to actual data. The matrix above shows that there are 1,157 class 0 data that are predicted as 0, which is correct. There are 420 data in class 1 that are incorrectly predicted as 0, which is wrong. There is no data predicted as class 1 at all. The model is unbalanced and cannot recognize minority data or class 1. That's all I can say. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.